Welcome to Even Better. Our story starts different. See, most stores like Even Better begin as an animation brand. They are selling animations, and for you to enjoy their products, they supply you with a dance hood. For other brands, dance hoods are just a side product they must have. Even Better started when I bought all the dance hoods in Second Life and tried them out, and none of them was answering my needs. It was complicated to set up, performance was questionable, and the design was lacking at best. I've decided to make a dance hood that is easy to set up, intuitive, and has the best possible performance while also looking nice. In addition to that, I wanted to have options, colors, shapes, and features. Since 2007, we give you the best dance hoods in Second Life. For us, dance hoods are not a side product, they are the main product. I hope you enjoyed this kind of a video. If you do, please check out my other YouTube videos about the stores and our products. Also check out the Inroad store for dance hoods and for animations. Have a nice day.